Hi there, I'm Emma Harden, Managing Director of Top Dog Turf. Thank you very much for placing your order with us. From your order, I see that you have the Wee Free sub-base soaker and the PIA power wash. And I just wanted to let you know that you don't want to use the two together. Many people buy them thinking that they are, because they're both brilliant products, that they together will be the perfect solution to their dog wee problems. However, they're not the perfect solution together. So your Wee Free sub-base soaker, this is an enzyme cleaner which is full of live bioorganisms, which is the best thing you can use to remove the dog wee odour from your artificial grass. But it is full of live little creatures, the microorganisms, and the PIA power wash is a very, very strong instant kill disinfectant. So if you use them together, the PIA power wash will kill the poor little enzymes that's in your Wee Free, and you don't want that to happen. So if it's a dog wee odour you're struggling with, the Wee Free is what you need. So give it a good shake, dilute it with water. The instructions are on the back or in the sheets in your box. Then ideally, if you want to use the PIA power wash, leave it a good week or so, because the Wee Free will work for up to a week, eating the dog wee crystals and removing the odour. The PIA power wash can be mixed and left ready in a sprayer or something like that, and is really great for just spraying the very tops of the grass blades if you're worried about germs. So this is a disinfectant and is going to kill the germs. The Wee Free is going to eat the dog odour. Okay, so you can have this mixed and ready. You can't mix the Wee Free and leave it. It has to be used pretty soon afterwards. But give it a week or so after you've used the Wee Free before you use the PIA, or alternatively, after a few days, just clean the very tops of the grass blades with a quick spray with a pump action sprayer of a diluted version of the PIA, and then it's just going to disinfect the top of the grass blades and not go down into the grass and kill the Wee Free, which is still working away there. So if you do get confused, drop us an email, info@topdogturf.co.uk, or give us a ring. Is 01908 366 428, and we can talk you through. Don't use the two together because you'll be killing these little fellas and wasting your money. Thank you so much again for being a customer. And any questions, we're here to help and help you win the battle of the dog wee. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.